What's going on, guys? My name is Chris, and right behind me is my new daily driver. You guys know me for having a Turbo Del Sol on the channel, and I also, you might have seen my S2K that I recently purchased about maybe a year or two ago. But since then, things have changed a lot, and I recently picked up another car, which is my new daily. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my 2024 Civic TypeR. So, I like to mention this. This car is the first car I've ever purchased brand new. If you know me well enough, you know I do motorcycles, I do cars, anything fast I really like to be in. But I've never really found that one car that I care about to buy brand new until the FL5 came out. Now, that also probably due to where I am financially in life versus in the past. So everything kind of lined up when I found this car and decided that, hey, I do want to purchase this car. But man, I really do like this car, man. And I know a lot of people compare the FL5 to the FK8s, but they're two different breeds, two different animals. One is a little sleek, and the other one is a little more aggressive looking. The car is dirty, you guys have to forgive me for that. But it's, like I said, this is my daily driver, and I was at a car meet in Virginia a couple days ago. So I've been doing a lot of driving in this car. Currently, the car has, I want to say about maybe 1,500 miles or less. I'm not really sure. About 1,500 miles maybe. The car drives beautiful. One thing I like about the Civic TypeR, of course, it's turboed. And the interior is real sleek. As you can see, you got the red seats. Real beautiful. The interior, man, it's Honda really did their thing with the interior. They really did their thing with this interior. I wish they would have did more with the back seats. But I have my wife and kids in the back seats, and they're all saying that the back seats is pretty comfortable. So I guess there's nothing to be said about that. One of my favorite features with this car, as we go in here, again, guys, this is not a review video. This is just showing the TypeR and showing some of the features and things I like about it. One thing I like about this car is when you push the plus R button right here, you watch everything changes. Such a beautiful display. I really love that. I love that feature a lot. And another thing is too on here is as you scroll through, Honda link. Okay, that's not where I was trying to go. Where is it? Here you go. I'm sorry, Honda Log R. As you go to Honda Log R, you'll see all your gauges and stuff on here. You get to see your water temp, your oil pressure. This is something really nice that I like. I really appreciate that Honda incorporate that into this car. And let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick. Okay, so this car has the same engine, a K20 C1, I believe it is, as the previous generation FK8, and also the Integra Type S that we all know and love. I'm not sure what motor's in the Core 2.0. It might be the same motor, I'm not sure, so I'm not going to mention that. Yes, ignore the K&N sticker. The car's already been slightly modified since I've had it, and I've only had it for about 2 months, if that. Under the hood, man, it's real pretty, very beautiful. It has more room in the front end here compared to the previous generation FK8s, so it makes it easier to service the turbo or to do any kind of work up front. That's one of the plus, the things that I really like about this car. As you can see, everything is freaking neat, guys. Everything is neat. Honda did a great job with this car. Even the battery comes pretty wrapped up. It's nicely protected. And it does have a baby turbo, which spools up pretty quick. So in stock form, this baby's claimed to make around 315 horsepower, I believe it is, which is very decent for a daily driver. And it comes with its 19-inch wheels from Honda. And the tire size is 265, 30, 19. This is stock. So very soon you will see some changes with this car. So you would have to stick around for the next video. I'm not sure if you can hear the exhaust on the camera, but it does have a nice deep growl right now. Because like I said, this has been modified a little bit. So you guys would have to wait for the next video to find out what it is. But let me go ahead and, matter of fact, let me go ahead and do a couple revs real quick for you guys, so you get to hear what it sounds like. Okay, as you can see, Honda allow you to rev the car up to about 3,500 RPM. That's pretty much it. But you can hear in the cabin, the car sounds really good. For a stock exhaust that was slightly modified, well, the exhaust is slightly modified. It does sound pretty good. Honda only allow you to rev to about 3,500 RPM, which kind of sucks. I'm not sure why that is, and I'm not sure if once I get the ECU unlocked, if that's going to change or not. But currently it only allows you to rev the car up to 3,500 RPM. But in the cabin, it sounds really good, and it gives me just the right amount of sound and noise that I'm looking for. So it's something that if you guys do like the sound, it's something to consider. And all I did to get the sound is I did a front resonator delete, and I deleted the 2 side rear mufflers. That's all I did. It sounds really good. Some people say that you might lose power. Well, I guess in the previous generation of FK8, some people say that this mod causes you to lose power. I'm not sure if it is or not. The car has not been dyno, so I do not know. But in this car, I don't feel any difference. Guys, I'm not sure what else to show you with this car, but this is the FL5, the 2024 FL5. And stick around for more videos. Next, I will be posting another video probably in a couple days, and to show the first few mods on this car. All right, real quick, guys. So people ask, this is a question that people ask all the time, like, how much did you pay for the TypeR? Is it worth the money? Is it some people say it's an overpriced Honda, and yes, I do believe it's slightly overpriced, yes. Especially when some dealerships are marking up the car is about, $10,000, $25,000. It's really, at that point, it makes it really unachievable for many people. So, is this car overpriced or not? In my opinion, for what you're getting, I don't know, man. It's hard to say. I guess it all depends on you. It all depends on, where you are financially in life and what you consider to be overpriced or not. It's a hard question to answer. It really is. It's all personal preference at that point. If you got the money, it doesn't really hurt you to pick one of these up, and you don't really feel it, and you feel like the car is worth it to you. I guess at that point, then yes, it feels it's priced okay. Now, I don't believe in paying markup on any cars. The only thing I've ever paid extra on before is my current house that I live in now. I don't believe in doing that. I never want to do that, but I slightly went over on this car. So what did I pay for this car? So out the door, I don't have the exact numbers here. I will post it. I paid, I think it was like $53,800 for this car, as is. No accessories, just a bonus stock car with these original wheels. and everything as is. So that's what I paid for this car, $53,800 some change. Insurance is fairly cheap because my record is pretty good. I am in my 30s, and my record, when I drive, like I said, my driving record is good, credit is good. So I feel like I got a decent deal on this car. Now payment. Some people might be wondering, okay, what's the payment on this car? Maybe we can take that to another video. What's the payment on this car? I don't have the exact information in front of me, but I'm paying roughly around $800 a month for this car. It is, I think it's a 6-year loan. I can't remember. But yeah, is the car worth it to me? Yes. Is it worth 53? Again, it's all depend on you. You know, I think this car is fairly priced at MSRP. I don't think there should be any markup on these cars. And yes, so if it was priced at MSRP with taxes and all, I feel like yes, that would be the right price for this car. Because this car is already priced at, I think it's like $44,000 to $46,000 MSRP, which is a very fair price for this car for what it is. Anything more than that, personally, I don't think it's worth it. But if you really like the car enough and you have the money to do so, I think the car is worth paying for. So until next time, guys, stay blessed. Peace out.